What's happening, traders? Welcome back to the next part of the My Forex Funds challenge. So we're here on GJ, and we've got a nice little setup lining up hopefully here. Basically, we've been at this area here for a little while. We've pushed up, okay, price has taken some buy-side liquidity, but we have just come down to this area here, which is going to be a low-risk trade for us. So we're going to go in with a 50 cents lot, and we're just going to see how this next candle plays out. Okay, I'm going to take the entry there. Basically, stop loss is going to be below the low here just a little bit for 5 pips, and then we're going to target a 1 to 2 with our first TP being just below this high here. Basically, I'm just going to put stop loss in now. It's 195. Okay, so basically the idea of this trade is that we've had this big push up, so we've got a nice demand zone here. Okay, price came into the zone, it's already reacted from the zone, which has broken some structure, and therefore changed this downward short-term downward trend with a change of character here. Price is then pulled back to an extreme fair value gap in the discount area, and we're going to look for this to make a new, this is a new higher high, we're going to make a new higher low, and then hopefully make a new higher high, and at which point we will take our first TP here, and that will be the trade. It's the trade idea, so we're just going to have to let this play out, and we'll come back when we got some more info. Okay guys, jumping back in, as you can see we just smashed first TP, which is amazing. So we're going to take our 80%, which was an original 50 cent input. So we just made another $12 on there. Okay, stop losses at break even. I'm going to go 265. And yeah, let the rest run with a stop loss break even, and you know, see where it goes basically. We could reverse round here. Looks like we're reversing pretty quick from that point. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I think we're probably going to get stopped out for break even, but that was a pretty nice quick sort of scalp there, and we'll see how it goes. In fact, with spreads, I've just been stopped out for break even. So we're up for $12 today. Not bad, not great, but not bad. Everything is helpful, so we will yeah, we'll move on to the next video. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We're going to continue this challenge and hopefully get to that pass, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.